Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. And if you don't already know, I am Rashmi. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really special one. Firstly, this is going to be my first ever haul, and I have bought so much makeup, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. Secondly, I have explored so many options to shop my makeup from. Like lot of you people, I also jump onto Nykaa to get my makeup and skincare needs sorted. But you know what? There are so many other options that we can explore. I'm sure you might not be aware of that or maybe skeptical to buy from there. But in today's video, I am going to share my experience buying from all those options. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So the first place that I explored was Sephora online stores. I generally shop from Sephora offline stores, but this time due to the situation I thought I'll explore their online stores. Usually for all my luxury products I usually prefer Sephora itself, but for some things like Too Faced and all I have to go to Nykaa because they are not available in India Sephora stores. The first product that I got from there is this Benefit Hello Happy foundation. I got this in the shade 05 and this is actually a 30 ml bottle and this retails for 28.70, but in offer I got this for 2009 rupees. The second product that I got is also a Benefit product and this is their Hoola Caramel Bronzer, and this is a 8 gram product which usually retails for 28.70, but I got this for 2009 rupees in the sale. I know this is a shade darker for me. I would have preferred Hoola, but since this was on discount I thought that I can make this work, so I picked this one up. The next product that I got from Sephora was this Smashbox Primer Oil. This was actually not on any kind of sale or anything, but as I have mentioned in my previous videos itself, my skin is very dry. So this oil really helps me to get that proper finish, to get my foundation smoothly on my face and make that last longer. So this is actually a 30 ml bottle and this retails for 3200 bucks. So the next website that I explored was Purple. I think a lot of you might have heard about this because this is becoming really big in beauty industry. They have launched their skincare and makeup brand as well. If I'm not wrong, that is called Stay Quirky. But anyhow, moving on, the first product that I have bought from there is this Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, and the shade I'm using is a 128 Warm Nude. This bottle is a 30 ml product. This retails for 750 bucks, but in sale I got this for 600 rupees. This is actually a very beautiful drugstore foundation which is full coverage. So the next product that I got from there is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and the shade I am using is C5, and this is a 4 gram product bottle and the MRP is 695 rupees, but in sale I got this for 521. Actually I had heard a lot about this one, that this is a really good full coverage concealer. I have used this once or twice, but actually I felt कि बहुत कम टाइम मिलता है इसमें वर्क करने का. It dries really quickly, so you have to be very quick if you want this concealer to work for you. That is what my experience is with this one so far. The next product that I got from there is one of my favorite concealers, which is this Fit Me concealer. This is a really beautiful medium coverage concealer, and the shade that I am using is 20 Sand. This is a 6.8 ml bottle and this retails for 475 rupees, and in sale I got this for 380 bucks. So yeah, these are all the products I got from Purple. Now we are venturing into the websites that might be a little less known to all of you guys. So the first one that I explored in that category is bodice.com, and I got few of the Body Shop products from there. So let me start with whatever I got. So the first product that I got from there is this Satsum Body Shower Gel from Body Shop. This is a 250 ml bottle. It retails for 375 bucks, but in offer I got this for 276 rupees. I actually got another shower gel bottle which is in the strawberry flavor. I have used this one before, but I just wanted to give this one a try as well, so I got this one. The next product that I got was one of the favorite products, their Tea Tree Facial Wash. I think a lot of people love their tea tree range, and rightfully so. I really love this one as well. The MRP was 695 bucks, but I got this for 556 rupees in the discounts that they were running. The next product that I got was their lip butter, Shea lip butter, and this retails for 250 bucks, but I got this for 200 rupees. And actually I have been using this product for past 2 years, and I just really love this product. It really moisturizes my lips and give them that supple feeling. And the last product that I got from there was not something that I wanted to buy, but I just stumbled upon them and I got these. So these are their bath gloves, and these retail for 395 bucks, but I got them for 197.5 rupees. So funny story about them. Back in college I really wanted to get my hands on these, but they were always out of stock. So once I saw that on Bodice website, I was like, I have to get my hands on these. So yeah, these were the all products that I got from Bodice. Now coming on to my experience with this website. Actually it was not that pleasant because they took like 15 to 20 days to deliver me all these products. I placed my order on 1st of August and they actually sent me a message on 5th of August saying that the delivery might get affected due to all these pandemic situation, which was a good thing that they informed me, but still it was like they delivered me between 15th of August to 20th of August. I don't exactly remember the date. So it took around 15 to 20 days, which I was not hoping for. The only good thing about that is I had opted for cash on delivery because they don't have any extra charges for COD. So if you want to try this website, you can definitely go for COD. So the next option that I explored was Foxy. And the first product that I got from there is this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. The shade I am in is Natural Beige 105. This is a 30 ml bottle. This retails for 750 bucks, but in offer I got this for 525 bucks. Actually I have a bottle version of this one as well. That was really nice, so I thought I'll get a tube version of this as well. The next product that I got from there is again a foundation. This is L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This is again a 30 ml bottle and the shade I am using is D3W3 Golden Beige. And MRP for this one was $7.99. I got this for $5.19. I used to have this one in college and I really liked it back then, so I thought I'll give this one again a try. This actually has a very liquidy texture, so it is better to use a blending sponge with this rather than a brush. But otherwise this performs really well. So the next product that I got is a eyebrow product. This is the Kiko Milano Eyebrow Sculpt Pencil. This is actually a dual-ended product. It has spoolie on one side and it has a retractable pencil on other. So this has 0.25 gram of product. This retails for 850 bucks, but in sale I got this for 722 rupees. And the shade that I got is Deep Brunette. This is actually a little bit lighter for me. Nothing that I can't work with, but definitely I'll go with a darker shade next time. The next product that I got are these concealers. This is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I actually wanted to get a shade light in this, but that was not available. So I ended up getting these two shades, medium and ivory. So they retail for 620 rupees, but I got them for 465 rupees. And they each have 6 ml of product. So yeah. So what I do with them is I usually mix these two on back of my hand and then apply it under my eyes. Because the applicator tip on these ones are a little chubby, so I don't recommend directly using them. I have did that, but I end up getting a lot more product than I actually want. So now coming to the experience that I had with Foxy. This website is a little bit interesting. I won't actually call this a website because if you open this on desktop, you will just see a mobile version of it. So I'll recommend downloading its app. So what happens on this is, this has a lot of list of products, but there are few products which are not actually going to be available there, but you will see an option saying that ask for review. If you click on that button, it will say that this request will go to their curators and they'll review the request, and if it is approved, all this will get available on their website. Let me just read out what they say on their website. So they say that Foxy is a curated marketplace where only top products reviewed by our experts are available. So this is just like the normal site, but with few products there is this catch that you can ask for review and this might get available later sometime. Now coming to the delivery and COD process for this, I actually got all my products within a week of placing my order. And if you want to do a COD on this website, they charge 50 rupees for that, and over 600 rupees of billing, they have free delivery charge. So just keep in mind, COD is 50 rupees and free delivery charge over 600 rupees. So the next option that I explored was Hawk Makeup. This was the place which I was most excited about. I'll first share whatever I got from there and then I'll share my experience about the place. The first thing that I got from there is this LA Pro Girl setting spray. This is a 30 ml bottle. It retails for 850 rupees and I got this for 637 on sale. I don't know what I was thinking while picking this up. I think I did not see how much product I am going to get in this. I was expecting a bigger bottle because I am very disappointed in this. If you see, for 850 rupees of 30 ml, it is around 28 rupees for 1 ml. And if you compare this with MAC Prep and Prime spray, which is like the best spray, that retails for 1900 rupees for 100 ml, which is like 19 rupees for 1 ml. And this is 28 rupees for 1 ml. So I would not recommend this spray. This is a very average spray for a very heavy price. So yeah, I would not recommend this one. So the next product that I got is this LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner and lip liner pencil in the shade Outrage and Gotcha. These both are 1.2 gram of products and they retail for 595 rupees, but I got them for 446 on discount. So I have actually not played with this yet, but they seem really fun colors to play with. So I'm definitely going to use this and I'll post on my Instagram. So keep checking my Instagram to see the update. So the next product that I got is this Wet n Wild highlighter combo. So this one is in shade Precious Petal and this is the highlighter brush that I got with this. This whole combo I got for 599 rupees, but individually they retail for 599 each. So I got kind of 50% discount on this. And this is the highlighter which I wanted to try for so long because this is one of the cult favorite highlighter, one of the best highlighter that is available in drugstore. So yeah, I was really happy with this one. The next product that I got is again from Wet n Wild. This is their Catsuit lipstick in the shade Nudist Peach. This is actually the one that I am wearing on my lips today. And this is a very beautiful nude shade. Talking about the texture of this one, this has a very thick mousse texture. It is not like the normal mousse like the NYX one and all. It has a very thick texture, so you have to work really quickly with this because it dries down to a matte texture. But the dough foot that comes inside this bottle is really good because it is very thin and precise, so you can easily go into the corners of your mouth. Let me just show you that once. This is the applicator. Hope you can see that it has a very thin corner which can reach to the corner of your mouth. So yeah, this is the one that I really like. So my next purchase is again from LA Girl. It's their eyeliner pencil. So I got two of them. One is navy and the other is gold. They both have 1 gram of product and they retail for 170 rupees, but in sale I got them both for 85 rupees. I have not yet tried them, but I'll definitely try them on my Instagram. So the next products are again eyeliner pencils and these are from Nicka K and they are in the shade deep blue and brown. I actually wanted to get a brown pencil for my eyes because all of my pencils are black and I sometimes feel like wearing a little bit lighter shade. And these two retail for 299, but on sale I got them for 149 rupees and they both have 0.3 grams of product. And again, I have not yet tried these ones, so probably I'll try them on my Instagram as well. The next product that I got from there is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Powder in the shade Golden Tan. This is actually a 7.5 gram of product and this retails for 499 rupees, but I got it for 275 rupees in sale. I actually thought this would be a little darker shade. I'll be able to use it as my bronzer, but it is a little lighter. I might not be able to use this for this purpose. So I'll see, I might have to reuse it in some other way. So the next product that I got from Hawk Makeup was from their special offer section, which I'll talk about in a little while. First, let me just show you what I got from there first. So this is a Wet n Wild eyeshadow combo that I got. So the first one is Nude Awakening. These eyeshadows actually retail for 599 rupees each, but I got them for 450 rupees as a combo. Let me just show you the second one as well. This is their Comfort Zone palette. These eyeshadows are really good. They are very finely milled. They blend beautifully and I kind of got them for less than the half price. So that was an awesome deal that I got. The last product that I got from there is this Revolution Vintage Lace palette and this actually retails for 1350 rupees, but I just got this for 600 rupees in the offer. So now talking about my experience with Hawk Makeup, they are actually distributor for a lot of brands in India. Naming a few are Milani, Wet n Wild, Revolution Pro. So they supply these makeups to a lot of brands like Nykaa, New You, Lifestyle, and many others. So they are really trusted brands from where you can order. They also have a separate section for distributors. So if you are a distributor, you can definitely check out the site and you can get good offers on buying a lot of products. And for the retail users, they have a section, they have an offer section which is divided into multiple parts. So I'll just quickly go through the important offers. So the first one that they have is up to 70% off, in which you can find a lot of individual product with really good discounts. Now coming to the other two sections, which are my personal favorite, are the combo offers and lot buy. So in combo offers, they usually put multiple products in one combo and they put a really good price on that. So that is also one section that you can definitely check out. But the lot section, that is the section where you can score some really good products. So what happens in the lot section is whenever they are moving some warehouse or something like that, if any product packaging has some minor damage, they provide that product on a heavily discounted price. So they actually mention all the terms and condition on the bottom of that lot section, in which they mention that few of the key points that they mention are those products are non-refundable and those products are not eligible for COD. So there is no COD option for that. You actually have to prepay for the order, then only you can order for that lot buy offer section. So yeah, these are the few things, and since I have already bought a product from there, I can guarantee that they do not send any broken products or anything like that. If you have paid some attention for the last product that I showed you, that was actually from the lot buy section. Let me just grab that product. So as you can see, this is the blush palette I got from their lot buy section. If you see, the outer packaging has some scratches, but let me just open it and show you. If you see the actual palette has no damages whatsoever. So I would suggest, if you can get any good products that you like in that section, that you should definitely order. You will be able to get good products at a really cheap rate, which is like more than 60-70% off. So yeah, this was one thing that I really liked about this. Also, for both Hawk and Foxy, I found out that the expiry for all the products that I received was for 2023. So that is going to give me enough time to use up all those products. This I do not find with a lot of vendors. With my lot of recent purchases, I have seen that I only get products which are going to expire in 2022 or something like that. So this is also one plus point that I thought that Hawk and Foxy had. So these were all the products that I had for today. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. And if you have any place in mind where I can shop from, do let me know in the comments down below. Till then guys, if you like this video, do show some love, like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well. All the links would be in the description down below. Till then guys, bye bye, namaste.
My skin's on fire.